From stubbornly sticky inflation in the US to why NBC is really looking forward to the Olympics, this is the week in numbers. 3.5% was the annual rate of inflation in the US in March, higher than expected for a third straight month. The number immediately made traders dial back bets on interest rate cuts. Rob Hayworth is Senior Investment Strategist at U.S. Bank Wealth Management.
We still have short housing inventories, and as we heard in the jobs report, we still don't have enough people hired yet. Those are the things really keeping inflation higher.
$1.2 billion is how much advertising NBC has already sold for its Paris Olympics coverage this summer. That puts it well on track to post record sales for the event. NBC has paid over $7.6 billion to renew its broadcast rights for the Olympics through to 2032. Over $6 billion is how much subsidy the U.S. is set to give Samsung to expand chip production in Texas. That's according to Reuters sources. The handout would follow similar support for chip makers Intel and TSMC, and is meant to make the U.S. less dependent on imported silicon. Almost 21% is the expected jump in earnings for big U.S. tech firms as they started reporting first quarter numbers in coming days. That's according to data from LSEG. Investors remain optimistic that the AI boom is going to drive soaring profits for firms like Nvidia. And just 20 or so is how many new Boeing jets Southwest Airlines expects to get this year, according to Reuters sources. That's less than a quarter of the number it originally expected. The drop comes amid production turmoil at Boeing after January's mid-air blowout on one of its planes, which has prompted new scrutiny by watchdogs.